So the one length bob, personally one of my favorite haircuts, but I want to share with you some very basic tips, as I feel this is a haircut that is kind of got so many different ways you can do it. It can be quite confusing. Ultimately, my goal is to work with the lowest amount of tension and simply just hold the hair still with my comb, allowing the roots to pull back and sit in a more natural position, enabling me to work as close to the natural fall as possible. When we say natural fall, we mean how the hair will sit naturally without us touching it. So here I am, working my large section, working forward diagonal, flowing through the front. I allow the comb to hold the hair. I tap gently above the ear and gently below the ear. And finally, I tap above the comb, which is to keep the elevation low to 0. The elevation ultimately controls how thick or how dense the line looks. So if the elevation is lifted at all, this will create a softer appearance to the line. Whereas keeping the elevation really low, as I'm working here, 0 elevation, will enable me to keep a stronger line. My final sections are all cut almost totally freehand around the sides, enabling me to get the most control possible with how the hair will sit natural, ensuring the bob looks precise and needs very little work to adjust it when dry.